Welcome to my channel. Today one of my followers requested to make risotto. Today, with the help of this gadget, Thermomix, we are cooking the risotto with the help of my friend Rosette.
Hello, thank you for giving me this opportunity to show how easy it is to use the all-in-one kitchen gadget and do a risotto in less than 20 minutes.
Let's start the recipe.
Mela, with the help of the app we use it, which is called Cookidoo International, we found a recipe which is sweet potato, pecan and blue cheese risotto. Here you have how easy it is, the preparation time, total time, serving portions. Here you have all the ingredients, here you have all the steps, you have all the colorific details over here and any other tips and tricks which might be helpful. We press start and we start cooking. First part is to preheat the oven and the baking tray with the baking paper, and you put the sweet potato diced with some olive oil, salt and pepper, and roast for 25 to 30 minutes until brown and soft. Meanwhile, we continue the recipe. Parmesan,
Well, first we grated the parmesan.
that's it. 10 seconds, speed 10.
Next
Now,
step,
we need the garlic cloves and the onions. Sage leaves and olive oil.
as you can see, we use only one bowl.
One blade. We wait for it to open, and this is the result. We scrape down the sides so we can start sauteing all together. For 3 minutes we are sauteing the onion along with the garlic and the sage leaf.
Now first we crushed everything.
We chopped everything along with the olive oil. Now it is sauteing for us for 3 minutes. Now we can see what is our next step, which is the arborio rice, the wine, and then we saute again for 2 minutes without the simmering basket and the measuring cup as well, so the alcohol of the wine can easily evaporate. Then we need 820 grams of boiling water, which we have already done. Then we'll be needing the vegetable stock, which we do ourselves with fresh vegetables. The salt, which we grind as well from rock salt. And 2 pinches of ground black pepper. We put the simmering basket back in place and cook for 12 minutes. So everything is done without us needing to stay mixing. That is how easy it is.
And you're not worried that you burn something?
No. No, nothing at all. Yeah, the temperature is kept constant, so your mind is you can rest assured that nothing will go wrong once you follow all the steps.
And the machine will stop automatically?
Yes.
And if you come after 5 minutes?
It's safe.
It's safe. Not like you have something on the cooker that you need to to be careful of some.
Many times I had accidents like that. Left. It rings, it shows that the step is done. Now we need to add the arborio. We add the arborio with air as well, so we would know how much rice we're putting in. Then we need to add the one. Without the measuring cup, we will continue to cook for 2 minutes on speed 1. Here we have the sweet potato, which we have already baked in the oven. The pecan nuts, which I just fried a little bit on the toasted, actually not fried, on the hob. And here is the blue cheese, which is Pecora blue cheese, which we will be adding lately at the end. And some butter as well.
As you can see, you can use only one bowl.
You don't have to have
Many things, many dishes to wash after.
The Thermomix idea is ideal for those young people.
Yes, who want to start
the kitchen.
Your kitchen. You don't need to buy a lot of
It replaces a lot of
gadgets or something.
Yes.
With just one, and you have everything.
And even the space, huh? You don't need much space. And nowadays, with all these compact kitchens we have, it's ideal. Now we need to add the boiling water, which we already boiled in the Thermomix, because the Thermomix has a boiling function which you can easily use instead of a kettle. The vegetable stock. The salt and 2 pinches of pepper. Scrape the base using the spatula to loosen the rice. We place back the simmering basket and we cook for 12 minutes. Now we add the butter, salted butter, blue cheese, and the pecan nuts. The reserved Parmesan cheese, half of the roasted potatoes, which I'll be having more later. We stir to combine so that the butter will melt and the cheese will melt and combine all together. That's the only time you stir everything together. Leave the risotto to stand for 2 minutes before serving. So we leave it to rest and we'll see you in 2 minutes. Product, restaurant quality risotto at home.
Now, as you can see, with one gadget machine, we did a perfect risotto.
There are plenty of other recipes, thousands of recipes in every language as well. Easy to follow. For more info, they can contact you.
If you are interested for a demonstration or you need to buy this gadget, you can leave a comment or contact me on my email, and I will guide you for the demonstration or from where you can buy this
Or
machine.
they can contact me, you give them my
I will give the
contacts.
contact of Rosette.
Thank you very much for following.
Buon appetito.
Buon appetit.
Perfect. Cooked well.
Perfect.
You can't do it
Easier than that.
perfectly. Perfectly cooked.